You can take out student loans, study, go to college and everything, and that doesn't guarantee you a job. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, why go to college, get this big degree, and you can't get a job? Because typically we all know the attrition rate in Jamaica is very low. An attrition rate, for those who don't understand, it just means people coming out of jobs. So
Mhm.
usually once a person gets a managerial job, they don't leave that position unless they're going up. So you find that a lot of old people look at like in politics, I'll be your old people. You
Be
understand? And once they
gatekeepers.
hold be a gatekeeper. So once they hold a position, it's just that. And then it's not like we're having new businesses coming into play where we will
Yeah.
need the managers or just workers.
Mhm.
It's the same old businesses that we have for a long time. So I think people just want the opportunity, and even as an entrepreneur, I don't even think that there's a real estate space. So if you as an